Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best Mypin Lock is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components of home security, and today we're diving deep into what makes this particular model stand out from the crowd. We'll be exploring its innovative features, robust build quality, and user-friendly design to help you decide if it's the right choice for safeguarding your home and loved ones, ensuring peace of mind in an increasingly complex world. Number 5. Master Lock 4688D TSA Luggage Lock. Travel with peace of mind. This lock is TSA approved, allowing screeners to inspect your luggage without damaging it. Set your own 3-digit combination for easy access. It's perfect for securing your luggage or backpack. Built to last, it features a sturdy metal body and a protective vinyl-covered cable. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of baggage handling. With a 1 to 3/16-inch wide body and a 1 to 1/2-inch shackle, it's a versatile choice. Use it for luggage, backpacks, tool chests, and more. This lock is your go-to for securing your belongings on any trip. Its robust design offers reliable protection wherever you go. What we like. This lock is TSA approved, meaning your luggage won't be damaged if inspected. You can set your own 3-digit combination for easy access. If you're looking for a reliable and straightforward lock for your luggage or backpack, this is a great choice. What people say. The Mypin Lock is a great product that works well and has a good design. The lock is easy to install and use, and it has a lot of features that make it a great value. The Mypin Lock is a durable and reliable product that will last for years to come. Number 4. 4K Media Player with Remote Control. Immerse yourself in breathtaking 4K resolution at 30 Hz. This device supports a wide range of popular video formats, making your home entertainment truly spectacular. Play content from TF cards, USB flash drives, or even large 8 TB hard drives. With dual USB ports, you have the flexibility to connect multiple storage devices. Turn your TV into a smart hub. Connect a USB mouse or keyboard to easily navigate and enjoy videos, music, and presentations. Experience smoother playback with advanced H.265 decoding. It loads files faster and uses less bandwidth, providing a superior viewing experience with minimal buffering. Enjoy your favorite videos, music, and photos in various playback modes. It even supports PPT presentations and can adapt to your vertical screen setup. Connect to your sound system via HDMI, AV, or optical output for rich audio. It also seamlessly reads embedded and external subtitle files for a complete viewing experience. What we like. Experience stunning 4K media with this powerful player. It supports a wide range of formats and features H.265 decoding for efficient playback. If you're looking to upgrade your home entertainment system and want to play all your media files in high definition, this is the perfect device for you. What people say. It's a 100-plus DVD disc VHS player that fits in your back pocket for $70 or less, all in, no need for internet, subscriptions, accounts, and doesn't stalk you. Plays everything I have tried, including H.265 with ease. This media player gives you the ability to easily play a large number of various video files from large hard drives without a laptop. Number 3. Joycon Joystick Replacement Kit for Nintendo Switch. Is your Nintendo Switch controller acting up? Worn-out joysticks can lead to insensitivity and drift, ruining your game. This kit is designed to bring your left or right Joy-Con back to life. This comprehensive 33-piece set includes everything for a successful repair. You'll find replacement joysticks, specialized screwdrivers, and all the tools needed to get the job done. Our high-quality screwdrivers feature magnetic tips and comfortable grips, made from durable stainless steel. They ensure a secure fit and prevent damage to your console during repairs. Crafted from premium plastic and metal, these replacement parts offer a robust feel and superior control. They are designed to replace your old, damaged components, making your controller feel new again. While installation requires care and a steady hand, this kit is designed for straightforward replacement. Follow the steps carefully to restore your controller's functionality and enjoy a better gaming experience. Don't let controller issues keep you from your favorite games. With this repair kit, you can easily fix drift and sensitivity problems, ensuring smooth gameplay every time. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to repair your Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons. It includes high-quality tools and replacements for common issues like drift. If you're experiencing controller problems and want to save money by fixing them yourself, this kit is an excellent solution. What people say. The metal buckles themselves are absolutely fine. They feel very solid and fit right into place. Fixed the stick drift. I bought out Switch when they first came out, they have had a lot of use. Controller now locks to tablet perfectly. Easy fix. It comes with 2 screwdrivers needed if you don't mind working with small screws, 6 altogether and a spring. Number 2. TSA approved Smart Digital Fingerprint Lock. Say goodbye to keys and codes. This innovative lock recognizes your unique fingerprint, offering quick and secure access. You can even authorize family members for shared convenience. Travel with peace of mind knowing this lock is recognized and accepted by the TSA. It allows customs officials to inspect your luggage without damaging the lock. Designed for everyone, including children and the elderly. It provides seamless unlocking from any angle, eliminating the need for apps or Bluetooth. This smart lock features a long-lasting battery with low power consumption. Simply recharge it via USB for extended use, ensuring it's always ready when you are. Constructed with a durable zinc alloy body and a strong stainless steel cable, it offers exceptional strength and resistance against theft, dust, and erosion. Perfect for gyms, luggage, travel, homes, and more. This keyless solution provides robust security wherever you go. What we like. Unlock your belongings with just a touch using this advanced fingerprint lock. It's TSA approved for travel and USB rechargeable for convenience. If you prioritize keyless entry and enhanced security for your gym bag, luggage, or bike, this smart lock offers peace of mind. What people say. It took under 30 minutes to fully charge the first time and it took less than 5 minutes to register 5 fingerprints. I like that the entire side lights up blue or red so there is no question whether you're doing it right or wrong. Still worked after 30 days of not charging it. I like that one can have up to 10 fingerprints stored. Number 1. Mypin 4K Media Player Remote Control. Introducing the remote control designed specifically for your Mypin 4K media player. Enjoy seamless control from the comfort of your couch. This remote uses infrared technology to give you a reliable connection. You can operate your media player from up to 7 meters away. No need to point directly at the device. Its wide 30-degree angle ensures that it works even if you're not perfectly aligned. Please note that this remote is designed to work exclusively with Mypin's own 4K media players. It ensures optimal performance and compatibility. It's powered by readily available AAA batteries, which are not included with your purchase. Simply insert them and you're ready to go. Your package will include one remote control. Please be aware that batteries are not included. What we like. This remote is designed to work seamlessly with Mypin 4K media players. It offers a convenient way to control your device from up to 7 meters away. If you own one of their media players and need a replacement or an extra remote, this is the perfect accessory. What people say. This works with Mypin and with Bidiffer 4K media players. The remote for my Differ 4K player has a battery compartment that allows the batteries to come loose. This doesn't have that problem. Lego en un día y en perfecto estado, funcionó perfectamente solo con poner las pilas. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.